Intro. Discovering something new can be quite exciting, but when those discoveries appear to come from beyond our world, it can be both intriguing and bewildering. From super strange artifacts to unexplained signals, join us as we explore the 20 most concerning objects that have captivated our imaginations, challenging our understanding of history, science, and the very nature of existence. The WOW signal. In 1977, a strong radio signal detected by astronomer Jerry Ehman at Ohio State University's Big Ear radio telescope captivated scientists and enthusiasts alike. Dubbed the WOW signal due to Ehman's enthusiastic notation, the 72-second burst appeared to originate from the constellation Sagittarius, close to a region containing the star Tau Sagittarii. Despite extensive efforts to trace its source, the signal's origins remain a mystery, leaving many to speculate whether it was an attempt at communication from an alien civilization. The signal's frequency, close to 1,420 MHz, corresponds to the natural frequency of hydrogen, one of the most abundant elements in the universe. Some theorists suggest that, if it were indeed a message from intelligent life, it could represent an invitation to further exploration or a signal of technological advancement. The WOW signal has since become a benchmark for future extraterrestrial research, with astronomers continually searching the skies for similar patterns that might hint at contact with otherworldly beings. The Moai statues of Easter Island. The iconic Moai statues of Easter Island, carved by the Rapa Nui people between 1250 and 1500 AD, continue to baffle researchers and spark curiosity worldwide. Made primarily from volcanic tuff, these colossal figures can weigh over 75 tons and reach heights of 33 feet. The sheer scale of these statues is impressive, yet the methods used to transport and erect them remain an enduring mystery. Scholars have proposed various theories, including the idea that the statues were walked into place using ropes, while others suggest rolling them on logs or using sledges. The Moai are believed to represent deified ancestors, showcasing the Rapa Nui culture's craftsmanship and connection to spirituality. Many were placed on ahu platforms that served as burial sites and played a key role in religious ceremonies. However, the arrival of Europeans in the 18th century led to significant population decline and resource depletion, making it increasingly difficult for the Rapa Nui to continue their sculpting traditions. The Moai stand as a testament to human ingenuity and cultural resilience, but questions remain about their full significance and the techniques employed in their construction. The Dropa stones. Discovered in the Bayan Har Mountains of China in 1938, the Dropa stones are a collection of ancient discs etched with strange symbols, each measuring around 12 inches in diameter. Allegedly found by a team of archaeologists led by Chi Pu Ti, the discovery has since been steeped in intrigue and mystery. Initial examinations revealed hieroglyph-like engravings spiraling from the center to the edge, suggesting a sophisticated form of communication from a distant civilization. According to later claims by Russian researcher Dr. Tsumum Nui, the symbols tell the story of a spacecraft from a distant planet that crash-landed in the region 12,000 years ago. The survivors, known as the Dropa, were said to have found themselves stranded on Earth. However, skepticism surrounds these claims, as no physical samples of the Dropa stones are available for scientific study, and many argue the artifacts could be a hoax or a misinterpretation of local geology. The true nature of the Dropa stones remains elusive, captivating those who ponder whether they are remnants of an ancient extraterrestrial encounter. The Star Child Skull. Unearthed in a mine tunnel near Copper Canyon, Mexico in the 1930s, the Star Child skull features an unusual cranial structure that has intrigued researchers for decades. With a significantly smaller and oddly shaped head compared to a typical human skull, its bone composition is thinner yet remarkably stronger. Distinctive features include an upturned face, reduced cheekbones, and a cranial capacity suggesting a larger brain than that of an average human. Interest in the Star Child skull surged in the 1990s thanks to researcher Lloyd Pye, who proposed that the skull could be evidence of extraterrestrial life. DNA testing conducted later revealed anomalies that hinted at its alien origins, but many scientists remain skeptical, attributing its unique shape to a rare genetic condition such as hydrocephalus. This debate raises fundamental questions about humanity and our understanding of genetics. Is the Star Child skull an artifact of an alien visitor, or simply a reminder of the incredible diversity within human genetic conditions? The truth remains elusive, leaving many to wonder about the mysteries that lie within our own history. The Uday aluminum wedge. Found alongside ancient mastodon bones in Romania, the Uday aluminum wedge is a peculiar artifact that has stirred controversy and fascination. Discovered in 1974, this small wedge is primarily made of aluminum, a metal not produced in large quantities until the 19th century, raising eyebrows about its existence in the context of ancient remains estimated to be 11,000 years old. Measuring about 7.87 inches long, its presence next to the mastodon bones sparked theories of advanced technology or alien interactions. Some researchers suggest it could be evidence of an advanced ancient civilization, while skeptics argue it may be a piece of modern military equipment that inadvertently became buried over time. The military action during World War II in the region adds credibility to this theory. While some posit that it might be a remnant of lost technology, others emphasize the importance of verifying historical artifacts before jumping to conclusions about their origins. The Baltic Sea Anomaly. In 2011, a sonar team discovered a peculiar circular object on the Baltic Sea floor measuring around 200 feet in diameter. The Baltic Sea Anomaly, as it is known, has features that some believe resemble man-made structures or even extraterrestrial spacecraft. Researchers from the OceanX team who made the discovery described the object as having straight lines, right angles, and what appear to be stair-like structures, all of which are unusual for natural formations. Attempts to study the anomaly have faced challenges as it lies over 295 foot underwater, making access difficult. Furthermore, the team reported experiencing equipment malfunctions when they approached the site, adding to the mystery and intrigue. While some speculate that the anomaly could be the remnants of a World War II structure, others are convinced it might be an alien artifact, possibly a sunken spacecraft. The lack of definitive answers continues to fuel theories and speculation about the true nature of the Baltic Sea anomaly, making it a fascinating topic for exploration. The Betz Mystery Sphere. Discovered by the Betz family in Florida in 1974, the Betz Mystery Sphere is a shiny metal ball that weighs 22 pounds and is about the size of a bowling ball. Initially thought to be a historical artifact, the sphere soon revealed its peculiarities when it reacted to sound. When family member Terry Betz played his guitar nearby, the sphere emitted a throbbing noise and even appeared to move on its own. The bizarre behavior of the sphere led to investigations by local authorities, the U.S. Navy, and even UFO researchers, including the famous ufologist J. Allen Hynek. While the Navy concluded that the sphere was likely a stainless steel ball from an industrial valve, many remained skeptical, believing it could be a product of extraterrestrial origin or advanced technology. Despite these explanations, the Betz Mystery Sphere has continued to capture the imagination of those intrigued by the possibility of alien artifacts on Earth. It stands as a reminder of how little we truly understand about our world. Dogu figurines. Dating back to the Jomon period in Japan, Dogu figurines are small clay artifacts that have fascinated archaeologists for generations. Measuring between 10 and 30 centimeters, these figurines come in a variety of strange shapes and sizes. The Jomon people, known for their skilled pottery, crafted these objects as early as 14,000 BC. Early versions of Dogu were abstract in design, while later iterations began to display more defined arms, legs and facial features. The true purpose of these enigmatic figurines is still debated among scholars, with various theories suggesting they could have been used as fertility idols, talismans for health and childbirth, or even toys for children. Some more radical theories propose that these figurines were modeled after extraterrestrial beings that interacted with the Jomon people. Despite the lack of concrete evidence, the enduring mystery of the Dogu figurines highlights humanity's fascination with the possibility of ancient contact with otherworldly entities, prompting ongoing research and speculation into their origins and significance. Abade lizard men. Artifacts discovered in ancient Mesopotamia depict human figures with reptilian features, leading to much speculation about their significance and origin. These intriguing figurines, known as the Abade lizard men, date back to the Abade period, around 6500 to 3800 BC. Each figure exhibits elongated heads, almond-shaped eyes and lizard-like noses, raising questions about the culture that produced them and their intended purpose. Some researchers suggest these artifacts may represent deities or supernatural beings tied to the religious practices of the Abade culture. Others propose more extraordinary theories, suggesting that they might be evidence of ancient contact with non-human entities. The resemblance of the figures to modern depictions of reptilians has further fueled speculation about their connections to extraterrestrial life. While some argue that the Abade lizard men are purely symbolic, others believe they reflect ancient encounters with beings from beyond our planet, leading to continued interest and investigation into these mysterious artifacts. The Voynich Manuscript. The Voynich Manuscript is an illustrated codex that has puzzled researchers since its discovery in 1912 by Wilfred Voynich, a Polish book dealer. Dating back to the early 15th century, it contains 240 pages filled with strange illustrations, including plants that do not match any known species, astronomical diagrams and indecipherable text. The manuscript's language, script and illustrations have baffled cryptographers and linguists for decades, leading to numerous theories about its origin and purpose. Some believe it could be a coded record of lost knowledge, while others speculate it might even have extraterrestrial connections. Despite numerous attempts to decode its contents, the Voynich manuscript remains an unsolved mystery, intriguing scholars, cryptographers, and enthusiasts alike as it offers a glimpse into a world of unknown knowledge that challenges our understanding of history and communication.